This is Coral Board, built for on-device AI with Google's Coral NPU machine learning accelerator inside. Small, low power, and built for developers to experiment with on embedded devices. And it runs Gemma. Everything happens on the board. So we packaged it into a kit for I/O, a screen, a camera, microphones, LED, everything you need to see what's possible on the edge. So let's take a look at some demos. It can do translation, speech in, translated speech out, running entirely on the board. It can take action, natural language controlling physical hardware. It can be creative. Vision and sound working together. This is a lightweight version of our pre-I/O show, generating music from an aquarium of jellyfish, all running on this one board. Gemma runs on everything, and Coral Open Hardware complements Gemma to bring the best of Google's full AI stack to edge devices. The Coral board will be available this summer, so follow the links to find out more. All the demos you saw here are open source and available on GitHub for when you get started. Coral board. It's small enough to hold, open by design, and ready to begin. So what will you build with it?